जानते हैं कि कभी-कभार अपनी आँख का देखा भी गलत हो सकता है, यानी नज़र का धोखा। आज मैं आपको एक ऐसी जगह लेकर आई हूँ जहाँ हर जानिब नज़रों का धोखा है। आप खुद से ये पूछने पर मजबूर हो जाएंगे कि आपकी आंखों ने जो देखा, क्या वो हकीकत थी? ये है वॉशिंगटन डीसी का म्यूजियम ऑफ इल्यूजन्स। क्या आप इस एडवेंचर का हिस्सा बनने के लिए तैयार हैं? सो लेट्स बिगिन द एडवेंचर।
You can touch, feel, be really a part of the exhibit, and everything is based on optical illusions and STEM concepts, so science, technology, engineering, and math. There's nothing really mechanical about the museum. The mechanics are your eyes and your brain and how you're processing a lot of these concepts.
I loved everything that played with mirrors, and I loved the metro display that made it look like you were upside down on a metro train.
The most popular display would be our vortex tunnel. It is a tunnel that spins around as you walk through it, and it gives the illusion that you are spinning or that the room is moving around you.
Well, we saw it on Facebook and had heard about it. It was so much fun, so we thought we would be a child today and come have some childlike fun.